aboard the Candyland Train. We're riding through sweet lands to learn and play. Choo-choo!